Welcome back to my channel. My name is Raeanne, and today we're going to talk about all things Amazon. I have been purchasing some new items for our new house, and I want to share with you some of the things that I've been getting and the things that I love. So let's get right into it. The first thing is this faux fiddle leaf tree. The one reason why I purchased this one specifically is because of the height. It is a little over 7 feet tall. Most faux trees are pretty short, and I don't know, they just don't give me that realistic vibe. We have really tall ceilings in this living room, and it just brings some extra height to the space and makes your eye look up. So if you have higher ceilings or you have a corner where you're looking for something that brings in some height, this is a great option. Another thing that I love about this one is it's really full all the way from the top to the bottom. Honestly, I would not be able to tell if this was real or fake. The next thing are these linen blackout curtains. I love these. They are gorgeous. I was not going to put any curtains in this room, but after living here for a little bit, I realized that the room needed a little bit more softness. So I got these. They are the pinch pleat at the top, which makes it look a little bit more elegant. They are 100% blackout. So if you want to use these in a bedroom, they would be great for that. Really block out the sun. These do come in a variety of colors. I purchased the beige white, which honestly, in real life, they kind of have a subtle hint of very light gray in them. They have little specks of beige in them. They are just a very neutral color. I have Pure White Walls by Sherwin Williams, and they just go with it perfectly. A little trick, and what I did here is I put two panels on each side of the window. It just makes it look more fuller. And if you have a big window like I do, you're probably gonna need more than one on each side anyways to make sure that it can completely close. I will link these and anything else in the description below. I'm also gonna link my favorite curtain rod. I have used these in our past few houses and I just love them. All right, my next favorite purchase is this rug. It is beautiful. It is a slightly off-white, kind of creamy color with really dark charcoal, almost black looking lines. I love that it gives a modern vibe. It is pretty soft. I will say I'm going to link the cheapest version of this rug that I can find. I always want to make sure that you can find budget-friendly items for your home. I originally purchased this for our bedroom in our last house because we had luxury vinyl floors in our bedroom and it was like really cold in the winter time, but we don't need it in our bedroom here and it fit the space perfectly in this main living area. The carpet in this living room is not my favorite, so putting the rug down and covering up ugly carpet is the way to go. I will say my kids have spilled things on this. We even had a coffee stain the other day and I was able to get it out, no problem, so it is holding up well. All right, the next item is right behind me and it is this beautiful sideboard. It definitely has a modern vibe to it, very simple design, which is what I was going for. I wanted something that kind of just blended in with the space. It has plenty of storage in it. I believe my husband put it together in an hour or less. It is very sturdy. I considered so many options when looking for something in this space. I needed a very specific size for this weird corner, but this fit perfectly. And honestly, I just love the modern, sleek vibe. They do have a dark blue and a gray version as well, but kind of what I thought was that I will get the color that I love now, and down the road, if I want something different, I can always paint it. It would be very easy to paint this. What I love is that because it's such a simple design, your decor items on the top are really what shine and they stand out. When you move, sometimes things don't fit exactly how you need them to. So we had to get rid of our old bedroom dressers, and I found these ones on Amazon that I love. If they are unavailable, I'm going to link them from other places too. A little trick with most home decor items is that if you Google the name of them, more than likely you're going to be able to find it in more than one place. Amazon, Lowe's, Wayfair, Target, you name it. You can probably find the exact exact same item somewhere else. So just a little tip for you, but I love these. They are a beautiful light wood color. You could even change out the knobs if you wanted to have a different vibe or you didn't love the gold. They have 5 drawers and they're 48 inches tall. They're the perfect height, and that way you can add like a lamp or a clock on top. The drawers aren't super deep, but we kind of needed something that was a little bit smaller in this space, but we got 2 of them and I love how they look in the room. Between the 2 dressers, I put this mirror, and this is also from Amazon. I love it. I had it in our last house in like a front living room, and I didn't really need it in our living room here, so I decided to put it in our bedroom. Honestly, after I put on my outfit for the day, I go step in front of it and make sure I look okay. The arch of the mirror brings in some softness. Mirrors help reflect light from your room, so if you have like a window in there, it's gonna bounce that light off and just help the room look a little bit bigger. This mirror is almost 3 feet wide and 76 inches tall, so it is a beautiful, decent size. I have it just leaning against the wall, but it also comes with a stand behind it if you wanted to use that, or you could actually attach it to the wall. There's a gold version of this mirror too, which I think would be just fabulous. Black and gold are 2 of my favorite colors. The nightstands that we had in our last house were not gonna fit the space in this house, so I had to purchase some new ones. The theme that I was kind of going for in our new bedroom is like luxurious feel. I brought in the warm wood tones with the dressers, and I knew with the nightstands I wanted to go a little bit more glam, so these are white and gold. They're tall enough for our king size bed and bed frame. They're not super huge, but just big enough to fit a few items on top. I love the super deep drawers, and they just bring some elegance to the space with the gold on there. And remember, you can always change out the handles, so if they're not something that you love, you can always go and find something that fits your style. All right, I am in the process of ordering and replacing lights in our home. So first I started with these hallway lights. They are very affordable, and you can change the lighting, which I love. So you can have it be a very warm yellow color all the way to a cool white color. There's a little switch inside where you can change it. I love that they give off a contemporary modern vibe. My next favorite decor piece is this light fixture that I just got off of Amazon. Our dining room has a really odd ceiling, and they had a really weird light fixture in there. It was on a track and very outdated. The track itself was outdated, the lights were outdated, but the problem is that it's on an angle. And so if I were to put any normal light there, it would be completely crooked. So we're gonna have to work with this and see if we can figure out how to make it more straight, but I had to be a little strategic in the light that I ordered. So if you have an angled ceiling, or maybe your electrical box isn't in the right spot, this might be a good option. The wire for the electrical is on one side, and then there's just kind of a string on the other side. So that way you can really work with the light and put it where you need it to go. All right, the next item are these faux marble tiles. I knew that I wanted to bring in some marble on our fireplace, and let's be real, I did not have thousands of dollars to spend on redoing my fireplace in marble. So if you're looking for a fun DIY project, this one might be for you. I love how it turned out. Honestly, I think from a distance, you cannot tell at all that these are fake. They are foam, so they're like a little bit thicker. They come in 2 different sizes. I got the 11 by 23. They are the perfect size to fit the space that I need. They're very easy to use. You just peel off the back and stick them on. I will say when I had to cut them, I could never really cut them in a straight line, but it's okay. I'm gonna hide those edges with a beautiful piece of trim. I will say in some of the boxes, there were really beautiful pieces. They had a ton of veining in it, and then there were some other pieces that didn't have as much. I got 3 boxes of these for my project, and I laid out all of the pieces and kind of strategically placed them how I would want them on the fireplace. And that way I had some that had a lot of veining and some that didn't have as much. What I suggest when using these is try to line up the veining on your project. Okay, this next item I have not purchased yet, but I am obsessed with them. I have had them in my Amazon cart so many times. I'm just trying to figure out the perfect spot to put these in my house, but they are these 3D fluted panels. I am obsessed. They have a few different colors to choose from. They have white, black, walnut, and oak. These fluted wall panels are very popular right now. You could definitely go to like Home Depot or Lowe's and get wood pieces, cut them down, and put them up, but this is just like an easy option, and it comes in a set of 12, so 1 or 2 cases of this would be enough to fill a space. A great place for these would be like a bathroom or over a TV or a single wall by your front door. These would just make the space look amazing. The one thing I did read is to get Gorilla double-sided tape to stick these on your wall. All right, I love having blankets on my couch. I have blankets on my couch all year round. It doesn't matter if it's 90 degrees outside. When I sit down, I want to throw a blanket on me. So this one I just purchased recently. I love the texture and that it has a design on it, but it's still a very neutral color. It is super soft. I have already washed it and it's holding up great. They have a few different sizes to choose from. I just got the twin size, but honestly, next time I'd probably get it a little bit bigger because I love a huge blanket. This would be great to throw on your couch, over a chair, or even on the end of your bed. All right, the next item is this clock that I have in our master bedroom. I think this was like a viral TikTok item, but I love it. It just gives a nice, sleek, modern design. It has 3 different levels of light on it, and you just touch it and it changes them. It also has 10 different sounds on it, and you can set them on a timer, which is really nice if you're laying in bed and you just kind of want to relax for 10-15 minutes. Put on the sounds and then it will turn off on its own. I love contemporary modern design, and having this in the bedroom just brings a touch of that style in there. I hope you love all these new decor items that I've been getting. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and I will see you back here soon.